Hello. Someone say hard drive is not showing during Windows system installation. Today I'm going to show you how to find your hard drive. Okay, here's the new laptop. I use the flash disk to boot and install the Windows 11 system. Okay, now power on and hit the F12. Continuously hit it. Okay, this is SanDisk. You can find SanDisk Cruiser. Okay, there are two options. You can hit anyone. Okay, I use this one to boot. It will be boot by this flash disk. Okay, hit the next. Install now. Choose what version you want. Agree. Okay, now where do you want to install? You could not find your disk, so we are going to load the driver to the disk. Browse. Okay, we search from the SanDisk. Before I copy the drivers to and download the drives and decompress the drivers here. Okay, here, drivers. Okay, choose VMD this folder. Okay, then you will see the drivers here. Okay, just hit next. Now you can find your hard drive. Okay, you can delete, partition. Okay, just use this one. Okay, now it's installing Windows system. Okay, thank you everyone. If you could not find your hard drive during Windows system installation, you go to Dell support, Dell website support, and type your model. Okay, select it to your model and hit the drivers and choose manually find your drivers. Okay, drivers, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, and storage. You could not find your storage, so we try to hit this one. Download it and decompress it, then copy to your flash disk. Then you use your flash disk to install your Windows 10 or Windows 11.